Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you take off and put the band back on your Pixel Watch. And I actually really like the mechanism that Google has come up with for this. So you can see there's this little button right here. We're going to push this in with our finger, and then we're going to slide the band over that and then pull it out. So what we're going to do is push this in, slide the band over, and then we can release it and the band comes off really easily. To do this on the other side, it's the same thing. Again, we have this little button right here that we push in, we slide the band over that, and then pull the band out. So pushing this in, sliding the band over, and then pulling it out. And now to reinstall the band, this little button right here, we're going to use that as a guide to push in the band. So we're going to line things up right over that button, having the end of our band. Push it down, and then slide it over. And then it locks right in place. And doing it on the other side, again, we're going to use this little button right here as a way to line things up. We're going to get things lined up, push it in, pull over, and it's as easy as that. So again, I really like this design that the Pixel Watch has come up with to have a really easy way to take the band on and off. And the key is just to push in this button right here to slide that band over it to pull it out. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the steps on how you take the band off and then putting it back on your Pixel Watch. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.